Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in this video, I'll tell you how to fix iOS 18.5 update post. Many users are eager to experience the latest features of iOS 18.5, but some have run into a frustrating issue. In this video, I'll tell you how can you fix this problem, but first subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos and hit the like button. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So first, I'm going to tell you how to unpost iOS 18.5 update. If your iOS 18.5 update is paused, don't worry, there are several ways you can follow to resolve the issue and get the update back on track. So the first step is ensure a stable internet connection. For this, open the settings on your iPhone and then tap on Wi-Fi. Make sure you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. If the connection is weak, switch to a stronger Wi-Fi network or try resetting the network settings. To reset the network settings, go to Settings and then choose General. Next, scroll down to the bottom and choose Transfer or Reset iPhone and choose Reset and choose Reset Network Settings from here. It will ask you to enter your passcode. So enter your passcode and confirm. Once your iPhone reconnects to Wi-Fi, try resuming the update and you are done. And the next step is charge your iPhone. iOS update requires at least 20% of battery power. If your iPhone battery is low, the update will pause to prevent issue. To avoid download interruption, ensure your iPhone is fully charged or connected to a power source while updating. And the next step is delete the iOS 18 beta update file. Open settings on your iPhone, go to general option and then tap on iPhone storage. Next, scroll down and then tap on show all. Next, scroll down and find the beta update and then just tap it and delete it. After this, go to settings and software update and then update your official iOS 18.5 and you are done. And the next step is restart your iPhone if the iOS 18.5 update remains paused. For this, you just need to press and hold the volume down button and the power button together. A slider will appear, so slide to power off and then wait for some time, and after some time press the power button again until you see the Apple logo on your home screen and you are done. And the next step is free up your iPhone storage. If your iPhone storage is nearly full, the iOS update might pause. To check and free up storage, go to settings and then choose general. Next, choose iPhone storage. Delete unnecessary apps, files or media to free up space on your iPhone and you are done. I hope this video will help you to fix iOS 18.5 update post, and also let us know in the comments below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.